Hey guys, what's happening? How to use leverage on Kraken. So basically, leverage means borrowing money in order to buy or sell at a cheaper price, right? So if you're buying and using leverage, you're hoping to sell at a cheaper price and earn more, and vice versa. So if you want to use leverage, make sure to fund collateral, right? Meaning you need to fund your account with with assets, USD, USDT, BTC, etc. Right? Next, what you're gonna do, you're gonna choose that trading pair, right? You can choose up to 5x for spot margin, right? Or up to 50x for future trading. So in my case, I'm gonna go with the 5x, which is BTC USD, right? Now, if you want to buy, you could just go ahead and hit buy. If you want to sell, same thing, right? And of course, enter the amount in BTC, okay? And next to the spot, next to the limit, you're gonna see spot. If you click on it, you're gonna see two options: margin and spot. Meaning, spot means basically you hold that money as as long as possible, and you're gonna sell it when you profit off of it, right? Because you expect that the price will go up, right? In this case, at a certain price, maybe 150,000, and then you're gonna sell it when it hits that number, right? And vice versa. Now, what you're gonna do, of course, set the TP and SL, or take profit and stop loss, in order to stop the bleeding if you lost the trade. So basically, into the price in USD, into the price of the market, obviously, the price that you expect to earn from, and the price that you think you will lose from, right? So if you expect to lose at, let's say 100,000 was like the price now in the market, 105,000, 290 or 300 now, and you expect to lose maybe at 103,000 or 102,000, right? So if you expect to lose at that price, you're gonna just go ahead and enter the price of the market, basically, or the price expected, right? And then what you're gonna do, just go and start buying the Bitcoin and leverage the 5x with the trading pair, right? This video is not financial advice. Always trade with caution and do your own research before making any financial decisions. So don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you, and we'll catch you in the next time.